Today I have a Chrysler Pacifica and I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the windshield wipers for the front windshield. I'm also going to show you how to turn on and off the wipers for the rear window. I'm also going to show you how to turn on the washer for the windshield and for the rear window. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so I'm in the vehicle inside the Chrysler Pacifica. In order to turn on the windshield wipers, what I'll have to do is I'll have to go through this, look through the not the windshield, but the steering wheel, and there's a lever. You see this lever? A clever lever right here. In order to turn on the windshield wipers, I'll go ahead and I will take this lever right here. You see this? And I will turn it. And when I turn it, you'll see at the top right here, there's a line that lines up right here. It turns on the wipers, okay? So this is, I believe, intermittent mode, or I believe auto detection or whatever. The speed right here, so it goes right here. So it's an off right here. You see it's lined up and off. And then right here is, I believe, auto detection, or it is either, I'm pretty sure that's auto detection, or intermittence. I believe it's auto detection. So when the vehicle suspects that there's raindrops on the windshield, it'll automatically turn on, I do believe. So if I go right here, it's just a higher setting. So it goes a little bit faster. You see that? So you can change the setting. So this is the auto setting right here. Okay. So, but if you want to have manual control over it and you want it to be in the low, you just go ahead and go right here and wait for this to line up to low, and it is on the low setting. It is no longer on the auto setting. You see that? And if I want it high, I just go right here and it is on high. This is the manual mode. But if I want to go back to auto, I just go ahead and you see how the line lines up with this right here. That is for the auto setting, the different speeds for the auto setting. All right, so we have that. All right, and so now, in order to, we're gonna go to the washer afterwards, but next I'm gonna go to the rear wiper. So if you wanna control the rear wiper, you have this knob right here. You go in a little bit right here. Currently it's lined up as off. If I go put it right here, it is an on. I believe this right here is the auto detection when it's lined up like that. But to have it on manual, you go right here and you can look in the back. The manual is on. Let me see. You can see it. It is on, wiping just like that. All right, so I have that. And then this is an auto. I'll just keep it in auto. Now we're gonna go for the windshield washer and the rear window washer. Now to wash the windshield, I'll take this lever right here and I will go ahead and push it forward. And when I push it forward, washer fluid is supposed to come out. But because there's no washer fluid in there, it does not come out. Or actually, I just made a mistake. When you push it forward, that's for the rear window. And you can see on the rear window that washer fluid is going out. You see that? On the rear window. Now, if I want to wash the windshield, okay, not the rear window, right? I will take this lever and I will pull it towards me. Now watch what happens when I pull it towards me. It starts to wash the windshield just like that. You see that? So, a summary. So to wash the rear window, push it away from me. To wash the windshield, pull it towards me. All right. And then when it's been washed, just go ahead and release it and it'll automatically turn off. I hope this video has been somewhat helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.